Thank you so much for joining us for this month's Take and Make craft here at the Phillipsburg Free Public Library. So for the month of December, we are making book page Christmas ornaments. And this month is a little bit unusual in that both our children's craft and our teen and adult craft are actually the same thing. It's the same kit, it just contains different types of pages. So for the teen and adult kit, we have pages from a Charles Dickens Christmas story, or a musical one where it's going to be pages from some Christmas sheet music. And for the children's kit, it's pages from a Christmas picture book. And if you're following along at home with your own supplies, this one's a pretty simple one. You need a clear plastic Christmas ornament, you need some ribbon, pages from a book, scissors, and a pen or a pencil or something that's cylindrical in shape that you're going to be able to wrap those book pages around. So the first step in this is to, and I've already started cutting this, is to cut your book pages into strips. So exactly how thick or thin you make them, that's up to you. For this particular book, I'm doing about 2 to 3 lines worth of text. And then once you have your strips of paper here, the next step is to wrap them one by one really tightly around your pen or your pencil, and you're going to hold it there for about 20 to 30 seconds, long enough to get it to hold that curl. And again, it's kind of up to you. You can do a little bit of a spiral, or you can just wrap it, so that everything is all lined up. The ultimate effect is you just want it to have that curl to it though. Okay, and I've already started one right here so that I don't have to stuff the whole thing. I do recommend though doing this in one sitting, because if you only do a little bit and you don't fill that ball at least most of the way, your curls are going to start to come undone. All right, so we've probably held this for long enough here. Once you've done that, you just kind of want to loosen your hold and slide it off, and keeping it held in that little curl there, you put it in the top of your ornament. So again, I've already pre-filled this one, but ultimately this is kind of what it's going to look like. And once you've filled it up, you're going to take the top part of your ornament, and these little pieces right here, you're going to pinch them together as you slide it into the top of the ornament. And then you've got to be careful sliding that cap on. You want to make sure that each of these little things are coming down on the outside of the opening there. All right, and we've included in our kits a couple of different ribbons so that you can pick which one you want to do, or you can even tie both of them around. It's up to you. And so the next step is really, really simple. You just tie this around and tie a knot. And our kits also contain some little sort of sticker embellishments, so if you want to make it a little bit more fancy that way, you can put those embellishments on the ornament itself, or even once you've tied your ribbon. If you do maybe a ribbon like this, one of the ones that's a little bit thicker, you could even stick them on the ribbon. So again, this one is a really simple, really easy craft for all ages. Again, we've got that in our grades 1 through 5 children's kit, and then also the teens and adults. We have the music page, the sheet music, as well as the Charles Dickens Christmas novels. So there you have it. We hope that you enjoyed this month's Take and Make craft, and we'll see you again in January. We hope you all have a very happy holiday, and stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next month. Bye.